Hello everyone, my name is Sarai and I represent the team from Eindhoven. This year we developed the biosensor for vancomycin, but how is this biosensor beneficial for patients? Now, patients have to stay in a hospital for a long time because their vancomycin concentration has to be monitored there. But with our biosensor, they can move home very early, and that is very comfortable for them. And our biosensor can be used at home because it's small and portable. You can just take it with you in a bag. Also, now blood samples have to be transported to the hospital, and that takes up to a day. With our biosensor, we can measure it in only 5 minutes, and also, if you have to take it to the hospital, you have to take milliliters of blood, and with our sample, you only have to take one small droplet. Also, our biosensor sends automatically all the data to your doctor at the hospital. So he can monitor the dose very well and adapt the dose if necessary. But how does it work? We use magnetic particles, and these particles we can bind together with an antibody. This is called a cluster. So, if you have no vancomycin present, these clusters are formed. But if you have vancomycin, also the vancomycin can bind to the antibody. And then the clusters are not formed. So now we don't need to detect the small molecule of vancomycin, but we only need to detect the number of clusters. And we do that with a magnet. Because magnetic particles, if they are bound together, they turn in a magnetic field. You could see that as a compass needle following a magnet, like this. And when we aim laser light at these rotating particles, we can detect a different signal. This is how our biosensor looks like in real life. You can see that the laser aims light at the chemical particles, and the detector detects the light. But our biosensor is not only good for patients, but it's also, we worked out a business plan for a small startup company. In this company, we want to sell our biosensor for 5,000 euros. But then, our biosensor is also really beneficial for healthcare and hospitals. This saves even 4,000 euros per patient, so that's really cost effective. So with our biosensor, it's not only good for patients, but also it's cost-effective and beneficial for hospitals. So it's the optimal solution for everyone. Thank you for your attention. Are there any questions?